Hello and welcome to the GenAIScript channel. My name is Pelly, and today I will show you how you can leverage your Visual Studio Code Copilot installation to run models. So if you have GitHub Copilot installed in VS Code, especially the chat extension, then GenAIScript can leverage the models that are installed and run them locally. So you don't have to set up anything, it just happens. Let's see how this goes. If you're wondering how to configure that, you can go in the docs and look for configuration. And this feature in particular is called GitHub Copilot Chat Models. And that's where all the details are in case you want to redo these steps. But let's switch to VS Code where I'm going to show you this live. I went ahead and installed GenAIScript, so you can do that by going to the marketplace and install this extension. You can see that the view is installed. And I have a previous script from a previous demo here, which tells DLM to write a poem in code. You have to remember that when you're running against the models from the GitHub Copilot source, they are prompted, and they have some restrictions around what they will allow you to do. In particular, they're really focused on working on code. So in here, we're asking it to generate code. I'm going to say JavaScript for this time. All right. So you can see there's no .env file. There's no configuration. This is a local machine. There's no GitHub token, anything like that. If I hit run here to run the script, GenAIScript is going to go through a number of options. And the last option is, oh, well, I'm in VS Code. I can actually use all the models. So these are all the models that are available to you when running in VS Code. You can see that. The kind of details, and also you can see the context window size. So we're gonna pick GPT-4o. So the script requests a GPT-4o, and so we're gonna give it GPT-4o. Now you cannot see it, but there's a confirmation from VS Code to allow me to access the model. And now we have an output. Now, once this is configured, you can see that the configuration is stored in the settings file. So we're talking in this is a typical settings file. So we keep that mapping for you. And also, if you want to reset the mapping, you can just delete that. But this means that if I want to change the script, then I can just run. And now it ran again. And it produced a poem in C++. And this allows me to leverage all the models inside of Copilot, and without any, so you can share your script with the team and people can run it. There's ways to change the model, of course. So we could say, I want to run with a small model. And if we run this, then it's going to ask me for another name because the default would be GPT-4o mini. So we're going to go here. And now we run with another model. So that concludes this video. Hopefully this was useful. The topic was to get as fast as possible started, and this is a convenience one. If you have GitHub Copilot installed and you have Copilot Chat, then GenAIScript will be able to run scripts from within VS Code.